you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics. In the last class we learned exercise 2.4 and 2.6 word sums in subtraction, isn't it children? Yes, today we are going to see exercise 2.5 and it's given in page number 38. After this chapter 2 is over. Okay children, this is the last exercise. This is the last exercise. First we are going to, but what we are going to in 2.5, 4 division A, B, C, D is there. Today I am going to teach A and B only, and C and D we will be seeing in the next YouTube class. Okay children? Okay. Find the sum of. Sum means what I said children? Yes, what? The answers that we get by adding the numbers. Sum means what children? The answers that we get by adding the numbers is called sum. Okay children, so adding means what? We have to add, understood? So sum means, don't get confused children. Okay, sum means addition. Okay, first sum we'll see 489, 3865 and 6932. See here, the 4 digit is here only 3 digit is here. So while writing you have to be careful children. Here 3 digit means ones, tens, hundreds. Only till 100 space is here. Here ones, tens, 100,000. So here also ones, tens, 100,000. So while writing, what you can do? You can write ones, tens, 100,000. So because 4 digit is here, I am writing 4 place value. Okay children. So while writing, what you have to write like this? You have to write like this children? No. If you write like this, the sum answer will be wrong. So what you have to do? You have to start from the ones column. 9. You can write little down so that carry over you can put here 9, 8, 4. Only till 100 space you have to write. It should be empty. And now next one 5, 6, 8, 3. And then the last one 2, 3, 9, 6. Here also addition sign should be there. Now what you have to do children? You have to add. You have to add. So 9 plus 5 how much children? So while 9 plus 5 means what? 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 comes. So you have to write 14? No, you have to add this also. So 14 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 14, 15, 16. So if you feel one you have to, if you feel very hard means you can write with a pencil small like this 14. You can write like that for your understanding. Okay, some of them will forget. So you can write 14 like this. If you don't write also no problem. If you write also no problem. Okay, it's for your understanding. Okay. Now 1 plus 8 what children? 9. 9 plus 6, it's very big number. Some of them can add in the mind itself. Some will feel very hard. So 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 what you can do children? You can write here or you no need to write 15. So 15 in the mind and 3 in the finger. After 15, 16, 17, 18. So 8 you have to put here and 1 carry over you have to bring to the 100th place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 13 comes. So 13 in the mind, 9 in the finger. So after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 2 you have to here put here and carry over you can put here itself. Okay. So here no number. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 in the mind and 6 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now what's the answer children? So what's the answer? 11,286. You can write like this. 11,286. This is the answer. So this and all you write in blue and answer you write in, this one you write in, question you write in black and this answer you write in blue. Understood, children? Okay. Now we'll see the second sum. Second sum, 2,998, 13,650 and 786. See here, 3 digit is here 5 digit and here 4 digit. So what you have to do, children? Till 5 digit you have to write the place value. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Understood, children? Because here 5 digit is here, so till 5 place only I am writing. So first one 2,998. 2,998 and the second one 13,650. So 13,000 0 5 6 3 1 and last one 786. See, while writing the number should be in straight line, otherwise you will get confused while adding the sums. So you have to write straight, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, children? See, here also no number, here also no number and here also no number. So while writing it should be very neat, orderly you have to write, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay. Now we will add 8 plus 6, 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger, 8 in the mind and 6 in the finger. After 8 what will come, children? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes. Now 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Isn't it? Then we very easy. 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 in the mind and 8 in the finger. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 6, 11 plus 6 what, children? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 in the mind and 7 in the fingers. After 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 7. And here only 1 is remaining. So what you have to write, children? 1. So what's the answer, children? What's the answer? 17,434. 17,434. Okay, children? We'll see some more sums. Okay? Okay, children, we have to place comma. I forgot to write 17,434 and coming to the first sum also 11,286. You have to place comma. Okay, children? Okay. Okay, children, we'll see the third sum. 2009, 24,761 and 867. So here 5 digit is there, 4 digit and 3 digit. So we have to write 5 digit ones. This is for your understanding only. If you no need to write, no, but you have to write correctly. Okay, children? You should not make mistake. For that reason only I am writing this. Okay, first 2009. If you write like this means you can write correctly. Then 24,761. The last one 867. 867. So we have to add now. Okay, 9 plus 1 what, children? 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Here you no need to add. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here also the same. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So here also no number. So if you want you can place like this into mark. Okay, children? So that you can add easily. So here no number. You can bring down the 2 as it is. So what's the answer, children? 27,000. 27,637. 27,637. Well, coming to, we'll see the fourth sum. Here 4 digit only is there. 3 digit, 4 digit and 4 digit. So what you can do? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Now 594. Next one 3232. And the last one 8017. Okay. 4 plus 2 what children? 6. 6 plus 7, 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 3 plus 8, 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. So what's the answer children? 11,843. Okay children. See 4 sums I have taught and 2 sums I am going to give homework. 5 and 6. What you have to do? Continuously you have to write. Okay children. Wait, I will write the homework. After the 4th sum, you have to write homework. Homework, and you have to write the 5th sum. 5th sum 378, 4,954 and 7,081. But only few students are sending their homework. Or around 10 to 15 students are sending, others are not sending. 9,002, 16,742 and 888 and 888. Okay children, 2 sum for homework. After completing each sum you have to draw line. Okay children, and now we'll see the subtraction sum. Okay children. Okay children, now we'll see what is the difference between. Difference means what children? The answers that we get by subtracting 2 numbers. You should not forget. Difference means what children? The answers that we get by subtracting the 2 numbers are called difference. Okay children, so we have to subtract. We have to subtract. See, you have to read aloud. So because in some sum it will be smaller number will be first. So you have to write the bigger number first and then the smallest number. See, here 7,853 and 2,867. Here this is bigger number and this is smaller number. So you can write as it is. See, 7, 8, 5, 3. 7,853 minus 2,867. Okay. Now what you have to do children? Can we subtract directly? No, because it's smaller number. So smaller number means what you have to do children? You have to borrow from the previous number. So previous number is 5. From 5 we have to borrow. So this 5 will become 4 and this 3 will become 13. Now after 7 you count up to 13 children. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what? 6 is the answer. And now here again see here 6 is the biggest number and 4 is the smallest number. So what you have to do? We have to borrow from the previous number 8. So 8 will become 7 and this 4 will become 14. After 6 you count up to 14 children. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's the answer? 8. And again see here also 7 is smaller number than 8. So what you have to do? We have to borrow from the previous number. This is 7. So the 7 will become 6 and this 7 will be 8. If you count up to 17 means after 8 what will come? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what answer? 9. Okay children. And then after 2 you count up to 6 children after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the answer? 4. So all you have to do children, you have to leave 2 line and you have to write the question. If you leave 2 line means it will be very easy for you to borrow, and if you to write the numbers it will be very clear. Understood children? So don't forget, you after writing this one you have to leave 2 line and then you have to start the question. Okay? Understood? So what's the answer children? 4986. 4986. Okay, coming to the second sum. 14,071 and 73,408. Children listen. See, 14,071, 73,408. So which is the biggest number children? This or this? This is biggest number. But what you have to do? You should not write like this. 14,071 and then you should not write this. If you write like this means the sum will be wrong. The sum will be wrong. Understood children? So don't do that mistake. Always you have to write the biggest number on the top and the smallest number below. So you should write what you have to write. See, you have to leave 2 lines. Don't forget children. You have to leave 2 lines and then you have to start. 73,408 minus 14,071. Okay children? Okay. After 1 you count up to 8 children. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. Because here it's the biggest number, you no need to borrow. But here 0 is there. It's smaller than 7. So what you have to do children? You have to borrow from the previous number 4. This will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So after 7 you count up to 10 children. After 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. 3 minus 0, 3. And here again what? It's smaller number. So you have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13. So if you want you can put this circle also so that you can identify. Okay children? So after 4 you count up to 13. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9. And then after 1 you count up to 6. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. So what's the answer children? 59,337. What's the answer? 59,337. Okay? And coming to the last sum. This is very hard children. You have to listen carefully, otherwise you can't do this sum. Okay, here 9,999 and here 10,000. Here 9,999 and here 10,000. Which is the biggest number children? Yes, 10,000 is biggest number. Isn't it children? Yes. So you have to write the 10,000 first. See here I forgot to draw line. See you. Yes, here 10,000 and here only 4 digit is here. So what you have to do children? You have to write 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Now how can we subtract children? All zeros are here. Isn't it children? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from this 1 only. Isn't it? You can't borrow from this 0. You can't borrow from this 0. You have to borrow from this 1. So what you have to do? First this 1 will become 0. If this 1 becomes 0, so this 0 will become 10. And now what you have to do children? Now what you have to do? From this 10 you have to from this 10 you have to give 1 to this 0. So what will come? This 10 will become 9 and now 0 will become 10. Okay children, and then you have to give a water. You have to borrow from this 10. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. And now what you have to do children? Now you have to borrow from this 10. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Understood children? From this one only you have to borrow like this and you have to write like this. Now 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Here automatically 0 only is there. So what's the answer children? You have to write only 1. You should not no need to put this because it has no value, isn't it? So 1. You have to write only 1. No need to write 0, 0, 0, 1. Understood children? Likewise, I am going to give you one homework for you also. You have to do like this. How many of them are doing correctly? I will see. Okay children, I will give 2 sums for your homework. Okay children, see homework I have given 2 sums. Fifth sum 7,682 and 3,587. And coming to the last one 4,444 and here 5,000 as I taught in the third sum. Okay children, these 2 sums. So total how many sums for homework children? 4 sums. In addition I gave 2 sums and in subtraction I gave 2 sums. So total 4 sums. You can send only the homework. No need to send all the other sums. You can send only this 4 sums to my WhatsApp number. Okay children, we will do the C and D in the next YouTube class. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Take care, bye.